C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, 1888 to 1970. Dr. C.V. Raman was not only a great scientist but also believed in social development. Born in Tiruchirappalli on November 7, 1888, he was the first Asian to win Nobel Prize in Physics for his pioneering work on scattering of light in 1930. Number 2. Jagadish Chandra Bose. Born in Mymensingh, Jagadish Chandra Bose was a man of many talents. He was a polymath, physicist, biologist, archaeologist, and early writer of science fictions. He was the first person to use semiconductor junctions to detect radio signals, thus demonstrating wireless communication for the first time. 3. Srinivasa Ramanujan, 1887 to 1920. Srinivasa Ramanujan is one among the greatest mathematical geniuses of India. Without any formal training, he had contributed to many mathematical fields such as number theory, infinity series, complex analysis, and continued fractions. Ramanujan's knowledge of mathematics was startling. Homi Jahangir Baba, 1909 to 1966. Homi Jahangir Baba is most commonly referred to as the father of the Indian nuclear program. He was born on October 30th, 1909. He was related to the famous industrialist Dorabji Tata, who was his uncle and a crucial figure in helping to expand the growth Tata Groups. In 1948, he became the first chairperson of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. He played a key role in convincing the Nehru government to start India's nuclear program. He was the founding director of two institutions, Bhabha Atomic Research Center and Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, both of which led to immense growth and development in the field of research. In 1954, he was honored with the Padma Bhushan for his invaluable contribution to science and engineering. Number 5. M. Visvesvaraya, 1861 to 1962. Sri Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya was born into a Telugu Brahmin family in a village near Bangalore, India. He is known around the world for his contribution in harnessing water resources and also responsible for the building and consolidation of dams across the country. He is also credited for block system invention that was used in the condition of overflow. For his relentless contribution to the society, he was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1955. Some of his inventions are still considered as engineering marvels. He was also awarded the British knighthood by King George V and hence has the honorific Sir. His birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day in India every year. Number 6. Subramanian Chandrasekhar, 1910 to 1995. Subramanian Chandrasekhar was an Indian-American astrophysicist born in Lahore, in Punjab. He was known to the world as Chandra, which means moon. He was best known for his mathematical treatment of stellar evolution, and particularly on the later evolutionary stage of massive stars and the calculation of the Chandrasekhar's limit. Yes, Chandrasekhar was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for his mathematical theory on black holes. His most celebrated work is on the radiation of energy from stars. Named after him, the Chandrasekhar limit defined the maximum mass of a stable white dwarf star. Number 7. APJ Abdul Kalam, 1931 to 2015. Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was one of the very rare scientists of India, a poet, motivator, leader, teacher, missile man, the world known him by many names. He served as the President of India from 2007 to 2011 and was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997 for his contribution in the field of science and engineering. Number 8. Vikram Sarabhai, 1919 to 1971. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was the key person behind the launch of India's first satellite, Aryabhatta. He is widely regarded as the father of the Indian space program. His studies made it evident that the cosmic rays are a flow of energy particles with its source in outer space. He initiated space research and helped to develop nuclear power in India. Number 9. Prafulla Chandra Ray, 1861 to 1944. Prafulla Chandra Ray was one of the greatest chemists of India. He was the founder of Indian first pharmaceutical company, Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. He was awarded the Hope Prize for his thesis and research on conjunction sulfate of copper magnesium group, a study of isomorphs mixture and molecular combinations. Number 10. Satyendranath Bose, 1894 to 1974. Satyendranath Bose was a famous theoretical physicist who hailed from Calcutta, West Bengal. He is best known for his work on quantum mechanism in the early 1920s and working with Albert Einstein on the Bose-Einstein condensate and the namesake of the boson or God particles. In 1954, the Indian government honored Bose with the title Padma Vibhushan and awarded the second highest civilian award in India. 5 years later, he was appointed as the National Professor, the highest honor in the country for a scholar.